everyone. Welcome to Himani Goel Soul Studio, my YouTube channel. I'm Himani. So here I am back with my weekly horoscope. This is the last week of the month, that is 22nd to 28th of February. चलिए देखते हैं इस हफ्ते यूनिवर्स आपको क्या गाइड कर रहे हैं, आपके लिए कौन सा मैसेज है यूनिवर्स की तरफ से, which I have pulled out by thinking about my God and praying to them so that you get what exactly you need in life. So it's a general prediction. Just have faith, you will definitely resonate with these cards. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share this video with your family and friends so that they can also get the guidance and they can plan their week accordingly. So it's based on moon sign. अगर आपको moon sign नहीं पता है तो don't worry, you can check this readings as per the Western zodiac sign. And also I will put down timestamp of each zodiac sign so that you can reach to your zodiac and enjoy the reading. For any personalized assistance, I have put down my social media handles. Do follow me and connect with me. I will definitely help you whatever means possible. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first zodiac sign is Aries, मेष राशि. तो चलिए देखते हैं Aries के लिए क्या guidance है. Okay. So Aries, for you the card which is pulled out is Two of Winter, which means this card is telling you this week you are confused, you are indecisive. आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं and you are unable to decide which is good for you, which will bring you success in life. So indecision is holding you back. Make the choices that is best for you rather than trying to please others. So choice वो सोचो जो आपके लिए अच्छा है rather than लोगों को please करने के लिए कोई भी choice आप लो. You are definitely trapped between intellectual and the emotional side of yours and you are unable to decide what exactly to choose. Just close your eyes and think about yourself, which will bring success, and choose the right option. So all the best, Aries. चलिए let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, Taurus. चलिए देखते हैं Taurus के लिए, वृषभ राशि के लिए क्या guidance है. Okay. For Taurus, we have pulled the card, the Lover. So it's a beautiful card, Taurus. If you are single, you might find a true love. If you are already in a relationship, spend time with your partner, enjoy the relationship because true love is long lasting. So definitely enjoy the time with your partner. Or in case your relationship is struggling or do you have some challenges, just sit beside each other, talk to each other, sort out the differences. This is the card where you can easily sort out your difference, listen to your heart, make choices what your heart says. Also, if you were struggling from past few weeks about your health, so this card is return of good health. So definitely you will have good health in return. So all the best, Taurus. चलिए मूव करते हैं जेमिनाई की तरफ. लेट्स सी जेमिनाई के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. मिथुन राशि. Okay, so for Mithun Rashi, the card is pulled out is Queen of Spring, which means this week you are very brilliant and friendly towards your friends and family. You are definitely a loyal friend. People can trust you. You are talented in your work. So just believe in yourself. अपने पे भरोसा कीजिए. This is the week where you need to believe in yourself. You have wonderful people around you who can help you as you trust others. You are loyal. Definitely people are ready to help you. You have to maintain a balance between work life and your home life. Don't mix both. Otherwise you will land into trouble. So it is always advisable, Gemini, that maintain a balance between work and home life. So all the best. Let us check the guidance for कैंसर. कर्क राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या कार्ड आया है. ओके, सो कैंसेरियंस, द कार्ड इज एस ऑफ विंटर विच इज अ येस कार्ड. सो आप कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ येस. ऑल्सो you are this week focused on your goals, so you are not carried away or you are not scared of any challenges along your way. So you are ready to focus towards your goals and you are ready to get success no matter what challenges come around along your way. Also, it is very important to communicate clearly and correctly about the ideas which you have in mind so that they can be implemented and you have a good result. Also, this card tells you that if something is stuck in your mind, you will definitely get the solution. So, overall, it's a good week for you, Cancer. All the best. Chaliye, let us move ahead to the next zodiac, Leo. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Leo, for you, we have a very positive card, the Sun. So, your plans will work out perfectly. So, whatever goals, challenges you were whatever challenges you were facing last week, they are going to get over and your work will be perfect. It will plan out perfectly. You will achieve success in life. You should have gratitude for the blessings of your life. Your ideas will lead to amazing results and rewards. Overall, it's a good and positive week for you. Leo, you will achieve success in life, financial growth, whatever projects you are doing, it will go perfectly as per your plan. So, all the best, Leo. Let us check the guidance for Virgo. कन्या राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है. Okay, so for Virgo, we have pulled the card 7 of Winter, which means there are better choices round the corner, but you are not able to see things clearly. You are stuck on one choice only and you are running away from the truth that this choice is not good for you. There are better choices in life. So just, you accept the truth that this is not meant for you and see things clearly and find the better choice, because there are better choices, Virgo, but you are unable to see them because your mind is hidden with the mind is hidden with the perspective that you cannot find good choices. This is the choice which you got is the best choice for you and you are running away from the truth. So don't do that. Don't stuck on the things. Move out and see better choices. So all the best, Virgo. चलिए, let us move ahead to Libra, the next zodiac sign. तुला राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is 3 of Autumn, which means this is the week where you need to follow your passion when comes to career. Sometimes we don't follow our passion and whatever career we get, whatever jobs we get, we stick to it despite that our passion and our hobby are different. So follow your passion. This is the week where you need to follow your passion. Be the best at what you do. So जो भी आप कर रहे हो उसमें आप सफलता लो, सक्सेस लो, उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत और फोकस्ड के साथ काम करो. Be the best at what you do. That is the tagline. Whatever you do, you should be best at it. Also, this is the week where you might get compensations for your talents. So, if you have a talent to be a good cook, to be a chef, or to be a good dancer, or to be a good painter, these choices, these passionate careers will give you give you compensation. So, might be you start your exhibition of art, your paintings are sold, you'll get the compensation, or you are doing the shows for dance where you get the compensation, or you are a good cook, so you cook something and sell it in the market where people are ready to buy that food home cooks like. So all the best, Libra. Now let us move ahead to Scorpio, Vrishchik Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Hermit, which means this is the week where you need to take a break from society, sit quietly and look within yourself for introspection and soul searching. What is your life purpose? You have to find out what exactly you need in life. So you have to meditate, take a break from everything and find what exactly you need in life. or you find a mentor who can help you spiritually, or help you to guide you towards what exactly you want to do in life. Also, you will be committed to spiritual growth. You might join some spiritual practices. There are a lot of spiritual practices, healings. You will join that for peace and happiness. So it's a very within, look within, or spiritually you have to look within yourself to feel peaceful, to feel healed. So all the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarians. Let's see the guidance for Sagittarians. Okay. Sagittarians, for you the card is 5 of Summer, which means you are, sad or depressed as things are not moved as per your thoughts, as per your desires. So trust that whatever is happened, it has happened for a reason. Universe know what will bring you happiness. The things which you were desired for is not good for your happiness. So that didn't happen, and you are feeling depressed. So trust that there is a reason for everything that happened. Remove yourself from all the negative emotions and find peace. Focus on things which makes you happy rather than things which makes you worry, which frightens you. So just move out of that and focus on your happiness. Believe that universe wants your happiness only. So if this thing is not worked, learn from it, move on. Believe that it is not meant for you. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us move ahead to the next zodiac, Capricorn. Makar Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay. So Capricorns, for you the card is Queen of Summer, which means this week you need to listen to your heart for any decisions. This week you are very emotional, but at the same time you know how to balance your emotions. You are very loving and comforting. If you are female boss, you're very compassionate towards your team members, towards your employees. Listen to your instinct. So this is the week where you need to believe in your intuitions. Also, do take care of others, but don't take care of too much and leaving yourself, without taking care of yourself. So this is the week where you need to take care of yourself as well. It's good to take care of others, but at the same time, take care of yourself. Listen to your heart. You can trust your instinct. So all the best, Capricorns. Let us move ahead to Aquarius, the next zodiac sign. Okay. So Aquarius, for you the card is King of Summer, which means this week you are very devoted towards your family. You are very warm-hearted and mature. So you are a romantic partner with whom your partner can trust, or you might find a romantic partner with whom you can trust. So trust factor is very strong in a relationship. Also, you might get advice from others through the heart, or you are giving advice. If somebody has come to seek advice, you will give from heart, or you are seeking advice that will come from heart. Also, you might get involved in some cultural activities or creative endeavor this week. So make use of it. All the best, Aquarius. So let's see the last zodiac, Pisces, Meena Rashi. What is the guidance? Okay. So Pisces, for you the card is 8 of Winter, which means, believe in yourself. You are thinking negative. You are not believing in yourself. You feel that you are powerless and you cannot achieve success. But it is in your mind. This is your mind perspective. So you should have that self-confidence which is required to be successful. You know you can get what you want in life. So you have to believe in yourself and work towards it. Don't think too much that you are powerless and you cannot achieve anything. This is your negative thoughts. So remove negative thoughts from positive one where you can believe in yourself and you know you can achieve success. You are self-confident. So all the best, Pisces. Thank you everyone. I hope these guidances definitely help you. during the week, and you can easily plan your week according to these guidances. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead.